The law of assumption, a fundamental principle of manifestation, suggests that you can manifest your desires in as little as 24 hours. This powerful concept, popularized by Neville Goddard, highlights the importance of assuming the feeling and state of having your wish fulfilled. By following this step-by-step guide, you will learn how to harness the law of assumption effectively and manifest your desires within a short time frame. These steps are in sequential order, so please adhere to it. If you alter the process in any way, you may end up with nothing, so please fully understand each step before moving on to the next. Before moving ahead, please hit the bell icon, subscribe to our channel, and in the comments section, request the universe to send its positive field towards you by writing, "I manifest, I deserve, I'm worthy." Okay, now coming back to the topic, the first step is to clarify your desire. To begin the manifestation process, take time to clarify your desire. Identify precisely what you wish to manifest within the next 24 hours. It could be a specific event, a change in circumstances, or even a personal transformation. Write down your desire in a clear and concise statement, ensuring it is focused and specific. This step helps you create a clear image in your mind and sets a definite intention for the manifestation process. Now we'll move on to step 2, which focuses on getting into a relaxed state of mind. Find a quiet and comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. Sit or lie down in a relaxed position and take a few deep breaths to calm your mind and body. Release any tension or stress. Close your eyes and visualize a peaceful scene or use soothing music to enhance relaxation. The goal is to enter a state of deep relaxation, where your mind is receptive and open to the manifestation process. Now you have to move on to the next step, which is the self-talk and visualization process. Once you've reached the point where you feel like your mind is at ease, you can begin this step. Make positive affirmations that support your desired outcome. Repeat these affirmations throughout the day, especially in moments of doubt or negativity. For instance, if you seek financial abundance, affirm statements such as, "I am attracting unlimited wealth into my life," or "Abundance flows effortlessly to me." Let these affirmations become your new inner dialogue, replacing any limiting beliefs or self-doubt. With your eyes closed, vividly imagine your desire as if it is already manifested. Engage all your senses and create a detailed mental image of the desired outcome. See yourself in the situation you wish to manifest. Hear the sounds associated with it, and feel the emotions of already having it. Make the visualization as real and intense as possible, allowing yourself to fully experience the joy and satisfaction of having your wish fulfilled. Spend several minutes immersed in this visualization, savoring the feelings and sensations associated with your desired manifestation. Now, after all of these, here comes the most difficult step, which emphasizes the significance of assuming the feeling of accomplishment. This step is crucial for harnessing the law of assumption effectively. The efficiency of this step will determine how quickly your wish will be satisfied, so pay close attention to how well it's carried out. Shift your focus from merely visualizing the desired outcome to assuming the feeling of accomplishment and fulfillment that comes with having your wish already granted. Allow yourself to feel the excitement, happiness, and gratitude that naturally arise from your manifestation. Immerse yourself in these positive emotions and let them permeate your entire being. Remember, the key is to genuinely experience these feelings as if your desire has already manifested. Engage in activities that resonate with your desired manifestation and maintain a positive mindset throughout the day. After that, you will move on to the next step, which requires you to let go of attachments and surrender yourself to this process. Let go of any attachment to the outcome. Trust that the universe is conspiring in your favor and that your desire is on its way. Detach yourself from the need to control the how and when of your manifestation. Surrender to the process and have faith that the law of assumption is at work. Cultivate a sense of peace and inner knowing that your desire is already in the process of becoming a reality. The next step of this journey will require you to practice gratitude and appreciation for all those who have helped you along the way. Express deep gratitude for the manifestations already present in your life. Throughout the day, focus on the aspects of your life that you are grateful for, including both your desires and current blessings. The energy of gratitude amplifies the manifestation process and aligns you with abundance. By appreciating what you already have, you attract more reasons to be grateful. After you have completed all of the steps correctly and actively, the next and final step requires you to detoxify your mind. Maintain a positive mental state by avoiding negativity and limiting beliefs. Surround yourself with uplifting and inspiring content, people, and environments. Minimize exposure to news or conversations that drain your energy or generate fear and doubt. Protect your mental space and focus on empowering thoughts and beliefs that align with your desired manifestation. By following this step-by-step guide to the law of assumption, you can harness the power of your assumptions and beliefs to manifest your desires within just 24 hours. Remember to define your desire clearly. Assume the feeling of the wish being fulfilled. Repeat positive affirmations. Visualize with all your senses. Detach from the outcome. Take inspired action and maintain a positive mindset. With faith, dedication, and practice, you can unlock the potential of the law of assumption and create the life you've always dreamed of. Start manifesting your desires today and embrace the power within you.
Want to learn some skills that'll pay you for life? Here's the stuff that helped me build my dream life. Check out the links in the description or in my bio and take your pick.